Hello dear students, I hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to learn how to add a new sprite and change the stage backdrop. By default, you can see a single cat which is orange and brownish. It's called sprite and it is present on the stage where we start a Scratch project or application. And there are a number of ways in which we can add new sprites. This can be done by making the use of new sprite buttons at the bottom of the stage. You can see here, new sprite. There's a bar and from here you can add new sprite. If you don't want this single default sprite which is called cat, then you can change it and you can add new sprite of your choice. The first icon that you can see in this bar is the choose a sprite from the library. There are number of inbuilt sprites in this sprite library, and out from there you can choose any sprite that you like. Then comes paint. Just after choosing, it comes paint. The paint one is you can design using this icon, this paint tool. You can design your own sprite by drawing or painting using paint canvas. Then comes upload, uploading sprite from the file. Here, this one you can use for the uploading sprites from your file, from your documents, from your system itself. Then comes the camera, the new sprite from the camera, where you can upload sprite using your system's camera. So these are the things that you can do for adding new sprites, either of the sprite library or designing your own sprite. So now let us see how to choose sprite from the sprite library. Okay, so there are a number of sprites. You can choose anything of your choice, whichever you like. Suppose let us choose here this arrow. Okay, so we have chosen arrow, we have applied. Just click on OK. And here you can see a new sprite is there. Okay, so in this way we can add a new sprites from the sprite library. Otherwise, if you want, you can also paint or design your own sprite. Just click on paint new sprite. On the right side, you will see the painting canvas. And from here, there are a lot of tools which you can use to design your own sprite. So I'm choosing a circle. You can choose out anything. You can draw out anything. Let's fill color. Okay. So one more sprite has been designed using paint new sprite, using painting canvas. So here we can see on the stage, this is the default sprite. This is the sprite which we have taken from the sprite library, and this is the sprite, the circle we have designed using painting canvas. So these are the ways by which you can add sprites on the stage. So students, we can also change the backdrop of the stage. Backdrop allows to have different scenes in the animation. We can easily create our own backdrop, or we can choose from the available backdrops within the library. So now let us see. So here you have to go. You can see just below the stage, there is area stage backdrop. Whatever stage you will apply, you can see this. You can see within this white small screen. The first one is new backdrop, where you can choose your backdrop from the library. Second one is you can paint your backdrop if you want, just like you can paint sprite. Then you can upload backdrop from the file, just like you can upload sprite from the file within your computer system. And the fourth one is you can add backdrop from your system's camera, just like the way you can add new sprite from the camera in case of designing or adding sprites. So now let us look how to add backdrop. Just choose any default and just see how it works. Suppose let us take this one. We'll click on OK and see. So this is how you can create backdrop. Okay, you can design also. Just like you have painted new sprite, you can design on your own. You can draw, you can sketch. So this is how you can change the outlook of the stage using adding new sprites and changing the backdrop. Thank you.